Okay, hey guys, my name's Enrique. I don't know why I pointed at myself. It is 8:30 on March 28th, 2015, obviously. I'm going to talk about my book. I haven't read it yet. It's called The Perfect Portrait Guide, How to Photograph People, by Michael Buselli, I don't know, and David Wilson. And I chose this book because I want to be a photographer. It's what I love to do. I love to make art, stuff like that. I chose this book because I guess to improve my skills in photography. It'll help me just improve overall in taking portraits. And so it covers basically everything from informal portraits to formal portraits, which are in like a studio, to lighting, which I'm using one of the lighting things right now, and cameras and equipment. I'm going to talk to you guys about the cameras that I have as of now. I have a Nikon D3200. This is what I take all of my portraits on, and basically what I take everywhere I go whenever I want to take pictures. It's a wonderful camera, shoots great video. I have a Canon AV1. That's a 35mm camera, so a film camera, if you guys don't know about that. Yeah, I have a roll in there right now, but yeah, it's battery operated, has a little light meter, change the film stuff, and I have another film camera. It's a Minolta X370. It's got like a little zoomy lens on it. Basically the same deal as the other one. Takes film pictures, obviously, so I already said that. So yeah, there's that one. I got it as a gift. I have two more cameras. I'll save that one for. I have a Polaroid One Step, like little. So we've got the little rainbow things, kind of. So yeah, put your little film stuff in there, and close it up, press the button, it comes out, let it develop and stuff. It's pretty cool. I like it. Got another Polaroid. It's Polaroid One Step Close-Up. Same kind of deal. I put the film in there, close it, press the button. This one's called Close Up because I don't know if you guys can see that. Like a little magnifying looking thing that goes over the lens and then the viewfinder. And lets you take pictures up close. It's like 2 to 4 feet. But I don't know, for back in the 80s it was revolutionary. So yeah, I guess I'll update you guys on how my book goes. I'll probably take you guys on some shoots that I go to and all that fun stuff. So I'll see you later. Deuces.
No, because there's a bug.
Don't get my fat body.
They look cool. Shut up, Enrique.
Okay. You can just keep rolling, I guess. Alright, let's walk this way.
How do you feel to be unpunked? And I'm focusing.
Hold it out straight at him.
So we're looking at you, right?
Looking at me.
It's gonna be a long video.
It's supposed to be 15 minutes.
It'll be like 30 minutes. So this is Janae, and in 5 minutes she's gonna be dead.
Die, you pineapple lover.
Pineapples.
I dare you to bleep that out. Bleep. That'd be so funny.
This lady probably won't even know.
No, she probably won't care. No, she'd do that like really funny laugh of hers.
I can't even imitate it. It's like...
My friend's game.
That's a big ass cactus. It's a bunny.
That's a bunny.
They ran away too fast. I can't see it anymore.
I hope this is like... Take those down.
If you want to do it, by all means.
Now you gotta blur that part out.
I don't know how to blur it.
Can you get like these sections for pineapples?
Yeah. Probably should have cut these parts off.
Oh yeah, and just like bring a shaved pineapple.
I would. I'd eat it.
Unless you really want to. We could walk around the entire mountain.
I mean,
Did you bounce on your head and like...
I don't think I can. You ready?
Yep.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Dope. Good job, Enrique. Biggs! Biggs!
Big?
Hey, Biggs!
Biggs?
Ah! Ah! I'm pretty sure the damn thing bit me. Ah! Ooh, footsteps. I hear the bugs all around me. My name's Jeremy Milburn. I don't know what today's date is, but I'm stranded out in the desert with all wildlife. They want to kill me, especially the rabbits. Oh, it's just an empty desert. Mountains. I'm supposed to climb this mountain. Oh, what's that? Oh, look. It's humans. What are they doing? How'd they get a pineapple? Why isn't it zooming? Oh. Oh. They have a pineapple. He's telling her what to do. She's a sex slave. Oh, he has a gun. Bang. Bang. Oh, he shot her. Oh, God.
not supposed to be filming over
Hey, hey, hey! I don't know you.
Hey,
Hey, hey,
hey, what are you doing?
hey, hey, hey! They surrounded me. Oh, I don't know where to go. Oh, geez, I'm trapped.